Alright, so welcome to our channel. So we have another story documented right here. So when you look at the structures, my goodness, amazing, terrible. Look, the rock. You cannot imagine how they shape this one. What's the tool they use to shape? And then when you look at the length, my goodness, 15 foot. See, look. You see that? And then how they filed the rocks. Small, big, small, big. Wow, not easy. So thank you very much. So those friends who don't have chance to visit here, yeah, you can just watch there. Thank you very much. Shout out to our admin, our principal KS Sana over there. Deputy Director Education Chuk. Alright, the Vice Principal is Win Lucas, Vice Principal Esther Mori Asor, and the teacher staff of Chukhai family. Kirisut Sabur, Kalangan, and also our vlogger right there, backstage, Mr. Wilson Tommy. Alright, bye bye, thank you. So we can see now the structures. Woo. Yep. So you can see the trail right there. Rocks filed. Oh wow. So what's that, Silverson? What? It's okay. What? It's okay. It's okay. Wow, look at that. Oh, so they started that part there, then they changed it and moved to ocean, close to ocean, right? Dai? I think that's the boy. That's what we call boy. Yup. Woo. Boy. Good afternoon. So this is Madol. Oh, woo. I think we're close now. I'm excited to read the history about this place. Good afternoon. So, oh, the bridge. Yeah, looks like new bridge. From Chukai family, Deputy Mr. Wilson and our Chukai principal. So now we're creating another story. At least we reached this place. I'm excited to read the history about this place. So this is how they, my goodness, look at that. It's not cement, it's a rocks. Woo! What a story. And right there.
So here?
Yeah, on this side.
Are you guys gonna go? Also?
We're just gonna watch from here.
Oh.
When you come back, just get us this
It's a long story.
Madol. Oh wow. Woo. So I'm crossing now. Ouch. Woo! And this is my kingdom.
Sir, pa-picture ka doon. Ako ito, ano nila? Sige.
So this is Madol. Yeah, sorry for. See, you can see this one. Rocks filed. Woo!
Is made of rock.
Wow.
Only shape of rectangular shape.
Uy, bro. Ako na.
Ini lang. Yung bag niya. Picture. Akong cellphone din yung magkakuha o kuha.
Okay, larga ta. Woo! Ana ah.
Finally, I come.
So, Madol.
Madol. Chocopino.
So this is Madol. Welcome. Wow. Yup. So we're entering now this Madol. Look at this one. My goodness. Wow. I think that's 15 feet. Woo. It's not cement. Rocks shaped. Woo. Oh my goodness. Amazing. Yeah. All right. See, you can see that one filed. Oh wow. See. Oh, it's wow, look at that. Later on we will read the story about this Madol. Wow, it's a good story, history about this Madol. And there is also exit there. We'll pass there later. Wow, look. Woo. I think this is the jail, bro. Look at this. So what's inside? Oh, so just like this. Oh my goodness. Wow. So yeah, they cannot escape from this. Wow. Woo. Oh.
Dito naman natin lingkod.
Oh my. Can you imagine this? Oh my. Alright. So let's go and get out from this jail.
Yung ilatanin mo ito sa kanya.
Uh-oh.
Yung madura, yung pagkaasa mo. Ilatanin ka years ilan ni simsip.
Mm-hmm. Wow, look at that one. Alright, so we'll try to finish our activity as soon as possible. So we'll stand right here. Woo. Huh? Right there, no? Dai? Okay, so Wilson, Edgar, ready? 1. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Wow. Oh, watcher. Okay, Raday. Okay na day. Ta. Ano mo? Dirita. Another exit. Entrance at the same time exit. Woo! Really? Oh wow, look at that. Day, nakay history ano no? Ma-research man siya, di ba? Oh wow, look. Hindi na. Oh man. Madol. Oh my goodness. Really? Woo! So, filed rocks. My goodness. Oh wow.
Welcome to Madol.
Madol day? Gitu day.
Other side,
So, how many times na day?
twice.
Twice? This is your second time? Oh, wow. Yeah. Woo! Wild rocks. Uy, dito? Pero grabe gini day ba? Oh my goodness. Dili man ni cement good. We'll climb this side and check. Oh, overlooking. Woo! Tuara. Ah, my. See. Wow, look at that. Oh man. So back trail. Wow. Ang Madol. Huh? Go ahead. Huh?
Janie. Jay, this way. They said, huh?
Wala na.
Huh? Unsa day? Where?
Kapag giant.
Really?
Parang lubot mo siya. Kukuanan. Then dari mambang.
Kana sila? Sige daw. Anak. Giant dia. Really? Sumuna ilang lugar.
Is that true, Mr. Raymond?
No, yeah.
That's the giant.
That's where they sit on. Look at the truck. So deputy and principal is waiting for us there while checking. Just very quick. Oh, there's Madol. Oh man. Whew. Amazing. Amazing ng Madol. Alright, so from here we'll go back now and round, so at least you can see those friends. Oh, that's big. So they arranged the rocks. Oh, not only big, not wow, small. I cannot imagine. This is now the structure, the foundation. Wow. Woo. My goodness. Yep. Oh man. Oh wow. Look. Amazing. Look at this. That's big rock. Oh man. What a story. Napa dia, Day? Unsa na dia?
Smoke mo yan.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Oh, so that's shallow part there. See, filed rocks close to the ocean right there, over there. Yeah, at least we have now the story about Madol. right here. Wow, filed rocks. Woo. So right now we're here in Chuka Pohnpei, and thank you for, of course, having this opportunity to feature this Madol with great history. Look at that. So that's amazing how they filed big rocks, and as you can see here, it's not, my goodness, I cannot imagine how they shape what they use. I'm excited to read the history, how they shaped each rock. Look at this. So you see that? Wow. Yeah, thank you. I tried to go back, but woo, woo. That's one of our COM. Teaching COM. Rocks over there and over there, and before you look, so that's where I oh my goodness. Oh wow. So tourists coming here just to witness place. Oh my. Now we're going back trail. At least you have something to see, witness, watch about this Madol. Not only history, but the real rocks filed here. Okay. And some are asking where? Yeah, here in Pohnpei. So we're going back now. Yeah. Oh my. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. You're from here? You're from what?
Isang Filipino.
Oh,
Taga Saipan ako.
Saipan. How about her?
She's sa Pohnpei. She's from
Oh, from here. Wow, thank you for your beautiful kingdom. Saan ka sa ano? Saan ka sa atin?
Antipolo.
Antipolo? Yeah, Mindanao.
My mom is from
Oh, really?
yeah,
Last name?
Cabrera.
Face different. Oh, Cabrera? Oh, I have lots of friends, Cabrera. Alright, see you guys. Wave, bro. Bro, wave. With your friend. My channel ako, bro. Kuya Novo.
Kuya Novo?
Yeah, base chuk.
Alright, shout out to Kuya Novo.
Alright, thank you. Woo! Yeah! Come on! Punpei is the family! Here we go. Oh, you're not wet, Dai. You're not wet. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so this is Madol. Okay. Bye-bye, Madol. So those friends who can't make or who can't come here, just watch. At least you can see. See, you can see that rocks. My goodness, I cannot imagine how they shaped the tools they used. Oh my. Hours. Woo! Ha? Saro? Asa yung mabaw, day? Dito? Woo! Thank you very much, Madol Kingdom. See it? Yup. So according to our locals here, that they started building here and then they stopped and then transferred to ocean side. Alright, according to them. So you can see the rocks.